In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build trap drums in Soundtrap with Smart Drummer. First, open Soundtrap in your browser and log into your account so you can access your work. Once you're in, head to your projects area and open the project you want to work on. When your project loads, click on Studio to open the main workspace where all your tracks and tools live. This is where we'll build the drum foundation. Now add a new track. Choose drums as the instrument category. You'll see options like Pattern Beatmaker and Smart Drummer. Both are great for quickly building rhythm, but to keep things fast and musical, we'll use Smart Drummer for this walkthrough. Smart Drummer generates realistic, genre-aware parts that you can shape without getting bogged down in programming every single hit. After selecting Smart Drummer, you'll have a region ready to place. Click and drag that Smart Drummer region across the part of the timeline where you want your beat to play. Think of this as laying down the canvas for your groove. You can make it span a short loop for focused work, or stretch it across a full section if you already know the arrangement. Next, open the preset options and look for trap presets. These are designed to capture the character of modern trap. Tight, crisp hi-hats, punchy snares, and a driving rhythm that leaves space for melodies and bass. Choosing a trap preset gives you a strong starting point so you can focus on fine-tuning instead of building from scratch. With the preset loaded, start dialing in the details. Adjust the snare for the right snap and body. Lighter for a more airy feel, stronger for a forward, assertive backbeat. Shape the hi-hats to fit your groove. Trap hats often sit front and center, so aim for a clean, consistent texture. Adjust the toms if your pattern uses them, keeping them subtle for fills or accents rather than dominating the groove. You also have broader controls to shape the overall feel. Use complexity to control how busy the drummer gets. Lower values for minimal, spacious patterns, higher values for denser, more intricate rhythms. Loudness will influence the energy and punch. A touch more can help the drums cut through a mix, while less can keep them laid back and moody. As you tweak, keep your musical goal in mind. Trap drums work best when they're confident, but leave room for the rest of your track. And that's it. You've logged in, opened your project, launched the studio, added a drum track, selected Smart Drummer, dragged it over your section, picked a trap preset, and refined the snare, hi-hats, toms, complexity, and loudness to taste.